Now I will show you how to edit the image or how to edit the photo that you already have uploaded into the system. In order to do that, first go to our student controller, and we see that here is an update function. If you go to edit.blade.php, you see that there is a form for edit form, and in this case we also have to add type equal to multipart form data. Now if you go to any existing edit option, suppose pettic, here image is uploaded, go to edit. So here I will preview the photo, existing photo in the edit. So I am going to copy these lines of codes, then I am going here, here I am going to put existing photo, and then another copy here, upload photo. In upload photo, here I will show the photo error message, and here it will be input file that we added in the save photo option. When we inserted photo, then we used this way, and now the same photo. Okay, so upload photo, this file photo, and this photo error message, and this is existing photo. So here I will just see the existing photo. Here I will use the asset, then uploads, and then dot string concat the value of photo, that means student single photo. Okay, and here I can use the style attribute, and here give the value wide 200 pixel. Now if we go here, refresh it, we see that existing photo is here, then upload photo. Here we can take the image into a div, then it will show in good format. Go here, refresh, we see that existing photo is this, upload new photo, student name and student email. Okay, so when a person go to update, then I am going to student controller. This is our update function, but like this we will not use the validate code here, because a photo because for example a person do not want to change the existing photo. Okay, he just want to change the name and email address, then he will not touch this. That means I will have to give option that the photo upload option is optional, it is not mandatory. Okay, so when someone change the name or email address and click on update, then this photo is not touched. That means I do not want to change the photo. In this case I will have to check in the top that if someone click on the photo or not. That means I will have to check if a person want to change the photo or not. I will have to do that. So in this case I will have to use a if condition, if request, and then I will check hash file. There is a function Laravel to check if there is a photo. Hash files mean if a person select photo in this case and then submit or not. So that will be checked here, if a person give photo or not. So if a person gives photo, then I will check the validation. I am going to copy this code because here photo validation is, and I am going to remove these two because I only want to validate photo in this case. If request has file photo, then I will only check the photo, and here will not be request, or you can give it or not, that is not important. You can also remove that. Okay, because if photo, then here will come, then it will check if the photo format is okay, if the validation is okay. So everything, if everything becomes okay, if everything goes okay, then I will check. Then I will check to unlink, because if the validation is not that means if the validation is false, that means if the photo is not validated, then the program will end in this position. Okay, so after this line, that means after this line, this course will not be executed, that I am going to write now. But if the validation is okay and a person actually wants to change the photo, then what I will do, I will unlink the previous one. That means I will have to unlink, I will have to call the PHP unlink function as usual, and then give public path, and in the public path I will tell that into the uploads folder the photo will be removed in the uploads folder. Okay, then concat. Now as in the update I have the ID, we see that student equal to, here is the ID. I am going to cut this and going to call this in the top. Okay, now I have photo, existing photo, so using the student photo, from the student table I am getting the complete row data, and from that row data I am taking the student photo column. So this is the name of the photo. So in the uploads folder this photo will be removed because I have unlinked this. So this is the actual code, and if I run this, the photo will be removed. And if the unlink works, then immediately I will have to move the file, the new file that I want to upload now. This unlink is on the existing file, okay, that is saved on the database. Now after unlink I will upload our new photo. So in order to upload the new photo, that means move, I will have to call like before this to extension. I am going to copy and paste here. So I am going to give the final name just as before. If you see my previous lecture, you will understand that I uploaded the photo. So in that way, the same code I takes here, and this is the extension, and this is the name I have changed. I have changed the photo name and dot extension. So this is my photo final name, and this final name, the photo will be renamed in the final name, and it will be uploaded to the uploads folder. Now if has photo, all these things will be executed. We know that in order to change the photo name or any field name, we just write codes like this: student name equal to request name. The same thing we will have to do for the photo, but I have to do that in the if condition, because if a person do not want to change the photo, then if condition will not work, and so this will not be executed. This one, okay, final name, and this will not be saved into the database because I am pushing it into my if condition. So if there is no photo, this will not be executed, and this student photo field will not be updated. But if I have photo, then everything is okay, also validation is okay. Then I will remove the previous photo and upload the new one, and I have assigned the student photo, the new photo name, to the student photo so that it can be changed into my database table. So this is the logic behind it. And you can do one more thing, that is this validation name and email, you can call that to the top. That means before checking photo, you have to check name and email. If name and email is false, then you will just validate, and if these are okay, then again photo validation will come if my program go into the if condition. So in this way I call that into the top. So update, data is updated successfully. Okay, now it will work. Refresh. I am not going to change the photo. I am going into my uploads folder now. This is my uploads folder. Now I will change this. Suppose this photo, update. We see that after update it is going back to this page. Here I refresh, you see that the name is changed 217 in the last, and in the uploads folder you see that the photo is changed. So in this way you can change the photo easily. But suppose there is another edit, there is no existing photo. If you make the photo not mandatory, then you will get an error because there is no photo. When you will go to unlink that, if there is no photo, you want to change the photo, then you will get error. For example, I am going to this page, see that there is no existing photo. Now if you go to update, normally this is updated, but when you will give a photo here as new, then see that you will get an error, because when it is going to unlink a photo, that is searching in this field, but there is actually no photo. So unlink function is giving you error. So how to solve this issue? In order to solve this issue, when you write unlink function, then you can give if file exist. You can call the file exist function. If there is photo here, then only it will be unlinked. So here give public path, and in the public path you give the uploads, okay, and then student photo, my existing photo, okay. This same code here, this same code I am writing here in the public path, in the parameter of file exist, okay. So if this and, so this is one condition, if file exists here, so if there is file exist here, and I will here give another condition, that is not empty, which I will want not empty, that is student photo, student photo. That means I have to check in two places, that is student photo field, that is if not empty, and in the path there is file exist. If this both matches, then only unlink will work, otherwise it will just move the new photo to the uploads folder. Now go there, I have nothing. Now pick up a new photo, suppose this one, okay, update. You see that the new photo comes here. If you go to uploads folder, you see that the new photo comes. So the error will not come now. If you give here another photo, this one, so this one comes, and the first one I also going to edit with a new photo, for example this one. So I have edited all the photo. I hope you have understood how to edit photo.